Celastrinus paniculatus is a deciduous vine plant, which grows natively throughout the Indian subcontinent. It has been used in various Indian cultural and medical traditions, such as Ayurveda and Indian Unani. The plant, which is widely known as the intellect tree, is used to both sharpen mental focus and relax the nerves. It is considered by some to be a more effective memory supplement than the ginkgo biloba herb. These effects are at least partly achieved through the inhibition of reuptake of various important neurotransmitters relating to cognitive performance. Intellect tree is also connected to vivid and lucid dream states. The following is a summary of how the Celastrinus plant works, as well as the best ways to take it for optimum cognitive benefits. Intellect tree effects. The majority of the effects caused by Celastrinus paniculatus appear to be related to the neurochemicals dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine. The plant delays the reuptake of these natural substances, meaning amounts of the chemicals stay high in the brain. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter which generates feelings of intense mental focus, drive, and passion. It is most closely tied with the perception of mental energy, as well as physical pleasure. 5-HTP is the chemical precursor to serotonin, the chemical which generates feelings of contentedness and peaceful satisfaction. Norepinephrine noradrenaline is a part of the body's fight or flight mechanism, which elevates metabolism in nerve cells, in order to make quick decision-making possible in times of stress. Intellect tree has also been observed to boost the amount of acetylcholinesterase enzyme in rat test subjects. This enzyme is closely tied to memory functions in the brain. Intellect tree benefits. Intellect tree has been described by users online as a brain tonic. It produces a light, refreshing burst of mental energy within a short while of consumption. It creates the feeling of fluid, alert thoughts, and heightened concentration. It can be taken as a potent and effective stimulant, which makes schoolwork or other detail-oriented tasks easier to focus upon and complete. Some describe the effects as more intense and dramatic boosts to cognitive functions, on par with strong nootropic supplements like oxiracetam. Oxiracetam is considered one of the strongest and most efficient of all smart drugs, famous for producing intense concentration and memory effects. One unique benefit of C. paniculatus is its effect upon dreams. Almost all users report an immediate increase in the vividness of dreams, as well as the sporadic ability to exert conscious control over dreams, a technique known as lucid dreaming. The plant is sometimes marketed expressly for this purpose. In general, it is suggested for use as a memory-enhancing stimulant with strong mood-lifting qualities. It is even used as an effective aphrodisiac. Some head shops sell the seeds as male libido enhancers. Intellect tree dosage. Intellect tree benefits. The onset of the effects of intellect tree is rapid following ingestion, and does not take weeks of dosing to achieve optimum effects. The same has often been said of the serotonin-boosting supplement 5-HTP, when it is taken on its own. A strong single dose will create effects within an hour or two at most. The majority of Celastrinus sold online comes in the form of individual seeds. The traditional method for consuming the plant is to chew upon and or swallow the seeds. A dosage between 7-20 seeds can produce noticeable benefits for most people. C. paniculatus is also sold as an extracted oil. The oil is generally sold in 100 mg increments. A starting dose could be as low as 5-10 mg daily. As the supplement is considered strong by most users, it is best to start with a much lower dosage than the maximums recommended. After noting effects, dosage can be raised on subsequent days.